Rod Stewart will be back better than ever when Rock Concert continues.